Good morning, YouTube. We have just completed an El Capitan tier build on a Sprinter 170. Tons of cool stuff on this, starting with the bumper. This is from CA Tune. Mounted to that, we have the KC lights. These are the 8-inch slim lights. Up at the top, mounted to the roof rack, is a 50-inch light bar. This build has the upgraded wheel and tire package. These are the black Rhinos. Mounted to that is the Nitto Ridge grapplers. This van has the Agile off-road grip kit that's gonna help you have a smoother ride, add a little bit of lift, give you a little more clearance when you're out on the back roads. This awning gives you plenty of shade in the day and at night. The LED lights at the top and the bottom are gonna illuminate your camping area. The side steps make it a lot easier to get in and out of your van. These pop-outs are from VanSpeed. These add additional sleeping area space to your van. 5.5 inches on the passenger side, 6 inches on the driver's side. On the back of this van, we have the Monster Box that's mounted to the B2 bike carrier. Lost Saguaro tire carrier that has the spare tire on there. This is a full-size spare tire so that if you do get a flat and you need to change that out, you're not gonna be crippled by an actual spare tire. This is the Rack Attack hitch mount. So this hooks right into the hitch. 2 bikes can fit in here. This is adjustable. It can go up, it can go down. This hitch mount also swings out, making it easier to access the inside of your van. We've got 800 amp hours of battery and a 3,000 watt inverter. 33 gallons of potable water with a 4-gallon hot water tank. And of course, your outdoor shower port. That's gonna be super handy if you come back from, biking on a trail, you're super muddy, you wanna rinse off your shoes or rinse off your bike when you get back. We've got the perimeter lighting all the way around this van. You can see the WeBoost, the Starlink up there. The ladder is gonna allow you to get up there if you wanna strap down gear to the roof of your van or if you need to clean off your solar panels. And here's how easy those side steps make getting in your van. And inside the van, we've got Scopima swivels on the driver and passenger seat. The fully adjustable lagoon table with the custom tabletop here that does have the cup holder in the center. Above is the control panel as well as the WeBoost and the Starlink. So that Starlink is gonna give you internet in even the most remote places. The WeBoost is gonna boost your cell signal, and that's any cell signal within 2,000 feet of this unit. It'll pick that up. This seat is also storage. This van has a beautiful, fully tiled shower. The mount for the shower heads that we use does have an on-off switch in here. This is gonna help you conserve water while you're showering. You can get wet, put on your soap, and then rinse off. It's gonna save you so much water. The Lavio dry flush is in here as well. We love this toilet. No smells, no spills, no mess. It works just like a diaper genie sealing off. Floor to ceiling cabinet space. We've got 2 of those with shelves up top and then garment rack hanging down below. A super plush memory foam mattress. This is a queen size bed in here. Like we talked about with the flare space, you do get additional sleeping space with the pop-out. That's right underneath your X2 model from Nomadic. That unit is super powerful, meant to be used off-grid, so you don't need shore power to use it. It's extremely efficient. Tons and tons of overhead and below storage space in this van. Right above these beautiful acacia butcher block countertops, we have a 24-inch TV on a swivel. This strap is to hold it in place. Stainless steel fridge freezer combo. This piece here is the butcher block sink insert. This is just a cover for your sink. These sinks do move around pretty well. And of course, your pop-up countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.